Hi, my name's Eric Bowers, and I'm at road2compassion.com. And this video is about using breath to fall asleep. I'm going to teach you a certain technique of breathing that will help your nervous system relax so that you can fall asleep when you go to bed more easily, or if you wake up in the middle of the night and you're having a hard time falling back to sleep, this technique will also be helpful. So what you want to think of, what I like to think of, is the ocean coming up against the shore and then receding and then crashing back up the shore and then receding from the shore and then crashing. The crashing is the exhale, and it's just letting your chest and your belly just fall. You're not pushing and forcing. It's just a then inhale as the ocean receding. So I recommend doing in and out about 10 to 20 times through your mouth, and that will help any stress or activation in your nervous system to release. When we're breathing shallow and short, it's not helping stress in the system to release. So through the mouth, about 10 times, more if you have more activation. Nice and slowly. You want to breathe full without forcing it. So it doesn't have to be the fully extended as much as you can inhale. Just something like this. You want to keep it steady. You don't want to pause at the end or when you're exhaled or when you're inhaling. You don't want to pause. You want to try to keep it steady. So after about 10 or 20 of those, switch to a nose breath because you want to fall asleep with your nose breath. And it's the same thing. And then you want to keep going with that and let it become slowly more and more gentle, but the same idea. The wave, it gets more and more gentle, but you're still just letting it fall. And what this does, this kind of breathing, signals your nervous system, your vagus nerve, that we can relax. It's a relaxed way of breathing. So you're using a breath to tell your vagus nerve, we don't have to be in fight flight. We don't have to be activated. We can relax into the dorsal vagal nerve, which is the resting, sleeping pathway of the vagus nerve that we want to be in. So that breathing alone might put you to sleep, but if you want to add to it, if it's not quite putting you to sleep, you can imagine that someone is massaging around your adrenals, your lower back. Your adrenals are a part of what keeps you in the fight-flight vagus nerve. So while you're doing the breathing, or you could imagine someone is, and really tune in to your lower back. That will give your mind a calming thing to focus on rather than any thoughts that are running through your mind that you might be stuck in. So calming the mind is another signal to the vagus nerve that it can relax. Busy mind will keep your vagus nerve in some degree of fight-flight, which will make it hard to fall asleep. So just to repeat, In breath is the ocean going out. Out breath, starting with your mouth. Nice and slowly like that, moving to the nose. Getting more and more gentle, more and more gentle. And then keeping your attention in your body. I suggest the lower back, imagining there's a massage happening. So that the mind gets calm, the breath is soothing, and off you go to sleep. If you find this helpful, please let me know, or if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.